United States will not allow international students to remain in the country and will not issue F1 visas to students if their classes move completely online. This was mentioned in the new guidelines issued by the US Immigration and Customs Enforcement, also known as the ICE. The guidelines that were issued in terms of the online classes are meant for international students with F1 and M1 visas. The guidelines say non-immigrant F1 and M1 students attending schools operating entirely online may not take a full online course load and remain in the United States. The US Department will not issue visas to students enrolled in schools and/or programs that are fully online for the fall semester, nor will the US. Active students currently in the United States enrolled in such programs must depart the country and take other measures, such as transferring to a school with in-person instruction, to remain in lawful status. If not, they may face immigration consequences, including, but not limited to, the initiation of removal proceedings. Under the new rules, students with an F1 visa attending schools that are operating under normal rules can take a maximum of 1 class or 3 credit hours online, while students attending schools that will be functioning on a hybrid model can take more than 1 class or 3 credit hours online. They will also be required to attend some in-person classes. The guidelines also say these schools must certify to the Student Exchange Visitor Program through the Form I-20, the Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status, certifying that the program is not entirely online, that the student is not taking an entirely online course load this semester, and that the student is taking the minimum number of online classes required to make normal progress in their degree program. These exemptions will not apply to F1 students in English language training programs and M1 students as they are pursuing vocational degrees and cannot enroll in online training courses. According to the Institute of International Education, there were more than 1 million international students in the US for the academic year 2018-2019. The international students contributed $44.7 billion to the US economy in 2018. The largest number of international students came from China, followed by India, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, and Canada. The guidelines will put more pressure on universities to reopen amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Many universities, including the Ivy League universities, have said that they will be offering classes remotely.